In a bustling forest set between soaring mountains and a flowing brook, a small brown mouse named Milo lived under the roots of a gnarled old oak tree. Milo was an adventurous soul, always curious about the world beyond his tiny burrow. His bright eyes sparkled with dreams of the unknown, but his trusted friend Luna, a wise and cautious owl, always reminded him of the dangers lurking outside the familiar boundaries of their woodland home. One breezy autumn afternoon, while gathering acorns for the chilly months ahead, Milo overheard a group of sparrows chirping excitedly about a hidden treasure deep in the northern woods. The mention of treasure immediately ignited a fiery curiosity within Milo. Without thinking twice, he scurried off to find Luna, eager to share the news